So yes, sir, you can share your screen and we can start from there.
Mm. I tried.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. Hello?
No.
Hi, Sharona.
Yeah, sorry, I just had a system restart. My system went into full restart for updates, so that is why I couldn't connect it through call. iPhone it is connected, whereas display I can't see because it was in my
Okay.
computer, so that is why. Sorry for the delay. Sharaf, I can see you have some issue with that images and everything.
Can I start sharing screen or?
Yeah, you can share screen there now. Yeah, I'm able to see now.
Okay. So as per thing, uh, the last class I tried
Okay.
for 10 images, but what I missed is the previous day class on Wednesday class. No, for that
Yeah.
session I was able to see due to the session was not shared. So all the three process has been initiated at a time.
Yeah,
Um,
yes, sir. But if you're doing it only for 10 images, your side overlap might not be there, right? You have just executed one strip, right? So
uh,
that is why I think you're having this issue. Like it is slanting towards 90 degree.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, if you are executing like a minimum 50 to 100 images, you can have some data. Only because of that you are having this issue. Other than that, nothing.
Oh, and
Because you just executed one strip, it will not have anything to aerial triangulate on the side. So that is why your images might have tilted.
okay, and what about this thing? Here you can see more highlighted
No,
yellow.
these are all connecting points. Connecting points. These are all the points. No, these orange color dots are there. No? And these are the reference points that it is taken to get it aerial triangulated. That's all. This will be normally, if you are giving heavy, more number of points will be there. If you are having it less, lesser number of points will be there. This is just for connecting purposes, nothing more than that.
Okay, this whole area is for connecting purpose.
Yeah, this whole area means it is considered all these orange points is for connecting with other images, for triangulating it with one another. That's all.
Oh,
So
okay.
to show you what we have executed last week, I'll just show you that. So here, I mean, like we have completed till point cloud in that, right? I'll just share you that. So yeah, can you see?
Yeah.
So my screen is visible, right?
Ah, yes,
Yeah,
I can.
this is what we have executed on last time, right? So I have executed that point cloud also, just we have discussed. So this is our aerial basic triangulated data, right, which we have seen last class.
Mm.
So now I have executed point cloud and just switching it on. You see how it gets deferred. See, so this is called our point cloud data. It will be in dots only. See, there will be no photos or anything. Everything will be dots, and every dots will be connected to multiple images. So this is how our so this is our point load data. So that is we are telling point load will give you the exact elevation of the data. So you can see the elevation here, right? The trees and everything.
Mm.
So yeah, this is how our point load data is loaded for that particular portion. We have previously discussed, right? Like it will be in point format and everything. No images. So see, this is the point format. As you can see, only these two are tracks. This is the row and everything, the buns and everything. These are all trees on the other side. Even small trees, bushes, you can be able to see it. So if you are executing like a minimum two rows only, you can actually get the data what we are preferring here. So if you are only executing one single row, you will have these issues only.
On right side, we there is no orange color here.
What's it?
On right side column, I mean, on right side images.
Okay. And we have also 1 minute. I'll just show you other things also we can process it. Yes. So just like point cloud, we have also created a triangulated mesh, right, for reference. That is also done now. So this will be your basic triangulated mesh.
Mm.
So this we have seen in that New York map, right? What is 3D mesh and 3D thing? So this is the basic 3D mesh.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, just like this, we have to generate so that after this we can generate proper 3D output. This is basic 3D mesh what we have created, gridding mesh. That's all.
Okay.
So there is nothing big in.
What is the objects around there? Like there is small bump towers, those
These
things.
are all agricultural bunds only. Like
Okay.
agricultural boundaries and bunds what they'll be having for regular water flow and stagnancy, right?
Mm.
So these will
Through
be the bunds.
small mountain type things. Okay.
Yeah, these are all trees actually, bushes and trees. See,
Oh, oh,
so these are all trees only. So once
okay.
it is properly, we have executed a 3D layout. Now we have just generated a reference mesh, right? So why
Mm.
we are getting only, so if we can see like this, we can see it more clearly. These are all trees. There is some road here and agricultural ones here. So
Okay.
Yeah. So now you can share your screen. We'll start with uploading minimum 100 images or something. You can get better outputs from that.
Okay.
I'll
I'll
stop sharing.
And here just we need to give the folder, correct?
Yeah, yes.
Link.
When you're going for directory, you just have to select the folder.
Okay.
You can name anything.
Yeah, we can go for the new project itself, right? Or
Yeah, you can go with new project itself.
how many things I can select?
Take minimum 50 to 100 so that no, at least you'll have some side overlap. So without one row on the side, you can't do any triangulation processes. That is why.
Okay. It's- Okay. Is this enough?
Yeah,
Uh,
that is enough. That is enough.
289 image. So,
Yeah,
um,
that is okay.
okay. Right. W84 should be the general one.
That you can you don't want to edit those things. That will be default by WGS 1985.
Okay. So this is for geolocation accuracy. And okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
How
Everything is perfect. You can give next.
these things are taken by the image itself, is it?
Yeah, yeah, directly from the image itself.
Oh, what is this omega degrees? Huh? These are all omega.
So these are all maximum triangulated error degrees or by some sensor degrees. So this will help you on area like for point load data. For elevation data, there are some data acquired from what I
Okay.
have given you.
Mm-hmm.
So,
So these things, the stand minimum, sorry, it's meter and feet. Okay. Here we will be using always meter, correct? For every
yeah, yeah,
project.
we'll be always using meter only.
For this thing, MSL. This
Here nothing you can you don't want to change anything. So everything since that drone is already in the X4D cloud, it will have everything as it is. No need to change anything here.
okay.
So you can just give next.
Okay, here. Um,
Just give 3D maps. First one, first one. So we are just going to create basically a map now. So that's all. So in this, these are all the outputs you can get, which is orthomosaic, the elevation data, the point cloud, and the 3D mesh.
okay. These four outputs will be
Yeah.
if it's 3D models. AG means agricultural, is it? Different
No,
one.
no, not like that. There are some AG spectral, that's different type actually. Those are hyperspectral and thermal spectral cameras in which you need AG processing. So that is a different type of processing for different cameras.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This rapid,
Sorry?
rapid. Here we have three.
No, these are all like when you're going for sample files.
Okay.
So these are like when you want the data to be immediate, whereas if you are checking that, see the quality will be very less, whereas your running time will be high. When you're going for these rapid sections.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. So that is when I want to show you immediately within 20 to 20 minutes you need an output. I will put it in rapid so that no your
Oh,
production speed might increase, whereas your quality might be little bit compromised.
okay. Okay. So here I need to check this one. Start processing new.
No, no, just uncheck it.
Okay.
Click finish. Okay, now there is one little thing called processing on the left, right?
Mm. Okay. This one.
Don't display this message.
Mm.
No, no, that is okay. Click OK. Click OK.
Mm.
And there is one. So here you go to processing options. There is one thing called processing options, right? On the left bottom down.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, in that you go untick all this 2 and 3, second and third boxes, just on initial processing alone, off the balance thing, off point load and DSM here on the left. Yeah, that one you just untick here, bottom also untick it. On the top, you click initial process.
Mm.
There you go to rapid. There is one option called rapid, right?
Okay.
Just click it and go to resource and notifications. So there, your RAM is dedicated to be 8 GB and 4 GB CPU thread. So 4 threads only there. So you better go it for 6 GB. Reduce the RAM to 6 GB. Hmm. Okay, 7 or 6. Reduce threads to 4 from 4 to 3 or 2. Better go to 3 threads. Yeah, that will do. Now you
No.
just start to click OK. Your initial process will start running. Okay, and go to processing options. I'll tell you the customizing of other things also. Here, processing options. Yeah, go to point cloud data, point cloud and mesh. So as you can see, the image scale you click it as half. There you select it as 1/2, half image size default. Default is there, second when you click that. Yeah, and the point density you click it as optimum. Yeah, that is second option only you have to click. Point density is optimum only. That
Okay.
is okay. And bottom only one file format is clicked. That's all. Now go to 3D mesh, 3D texture mesh on the top there.
LA is it? LA any one is fine for exporting this data.
Yeah, you can put it as LAS. Don't need LAS. Put it as in LAS.
Okay.
That is correct only. Now go to 3D point texture and mesh on the top. On the top 3D texture mesh. There you click the generate 3D texture. Okay, that is in medium resolution default. Okay, you just export it as OBJ. Just check whether your output file is in OBJ format. Off the other things, and just check on yeah, off that one. Off FBX file, just tick on OBJ file. That's all it will do. Now go to ortho and DSM. There you can If you are sharp as your balance, sorry, correct. Okay, now this side it is correct. Go to the next one, additional outputs. So these outputs you basically don't need unless and until you are actually required to provide these outputs. Like these are all grid DSMs, your DTM and contour lines are also you can generate it here optionally.
Mhm.
And index calculation, the one on the right, that is for if you are saying having any images with color balancing, image sampling issues there like that, that is manually what you can do. So
Oh,
just a DSM and ortho, everything is automatic. Now if you are executing, you will get all your process done. You just now only initial is done, right? You just click OK. If you are doing start button here, your initial process will start executing. Once it is completed, you can check in the second box
mhm.
of the first box, only second on second, then give start. So that now you will have step by step know what to do and you know how to control all these things. So
Okay.
it will
Once
be
it,
better if you're doing it like this.
I'm sorry. Once it is finished initial processing, then
You
I
just
need
check out the box. You just
to.
untick the box here
Okay.
and give the second one. Just tick that and you can give start processing.
Can I give start here?
Yeah, 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 so you can give start.
So for those 10 images, I think took more than 10 to 15 minutes for completing those three images. Now,
Mhm.
now it will be quicker than this completing initial process since we have choose the standard and decreased the
Yeah, yeah.
quality.
Now it will be quicker. Like it will take somewhere around half an hour to 45 minutes minimum for you because we have been given only 6 GB RAM. So and the image count is somewhere around 200. It will be okay. And you can let's see all these green lines are how it is getting calibrated and coordinated. If you are able to see, you can like visually see what and all it is doing. Initially, it is calibrating the images. Okay, from red to green, and you will have all those things on the like on the screen like that. That again you will have from green to blue, which is like it is positioning the system data accurately. So
Mm.
that will also we can.
Like this thing, no, here in the screen, the dots are vertically this many is corridor flight only, right? But it
Yeah,
looks,
yes, sir.
but it looks like so many lines parallelly. Uh,
No, no, this is not a corridor. I've given you a 1 square kilometer of data, something around like that. Because once if you're only able to work on this square kilometer data, the corridor is actually next step only. It is more accurate data, and you need more concern towards the data production. Since you're starting with the basic level, I have just given you this corridor, not corridor data. I've just given you this sample square kilometer data. This will be like the grid only, 1 square kilometer, half a square kilometer, like that only.
oh,
Because
okay.
this requires very less consent, and you can like work it out easily. Whereas if you're going for a corridor data, you have to like customize more things based on your requirement and everything.
Mm,
So that is why I haven't provided you with corridor data. I mean, like corridor data, your number of images will be very less, whereas the quantity of output that you are required will be very more.
mm,
So that is why I didn't provide you with any corridor data or anything.
okay.
Once this is all executed, you can start with the next process. Then again point cloud and then again DSM.
Okay.
So if you have any doubt in between, you just I'll be in the meeting also if you want, or we can just close the meeting and you run the process on your own. Whenever you are having a doubt, you just post a photo or anything in the WhatsApp group so that I'll call you directly and we can clarify it then and there.
Okay. Right.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. We can. I think it will be taking more than half an hour, right? For
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, now like out of this one, this is the point. Like if there is 1/8, out of the 8 process, one is completed. So like that it will take.
okay.
Maybe if you're processing for entire data, you can complete it before 1 or 1:30 maximum, I'm guessing.
Mm,
So let's see of that also. Yeah, yes, sir. So if you want, you can just share. close the meeting and you can start continuing your processing also.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, once initial process is done, you just go on to this array cloud and view your points and all. See, I told you, right? After dark
Mm,
green, while going for coordinate projection, it goes in other colors. So on
okay.
each and every format, it will change colors. You just have to monitor it thoroughly. That's all.
Mm,
Yeah. Okay, sir.
okay. So
Today's meeting is all recorded only, so it will be in the cloud automatically. That's it.
okay. So that will be shared with Nagendra only, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Then.
Yes.
Thank
Oh,
you.
fine.